Right, so one of the major problems I always face while using download managers, and I'm pretty sure you guys also face this very problem, is the fact that you find an amazing download manager that has a good user interface, good download speeds, but when you go to the browser side, it's very fake and annoying. So for that reason, you find that you're not going to be using that download manager anymore, and you end up switching to some other download manager, or you completely stop using download managers. But in this video, I'll be sharing with you a very simple trick that is going to help you solve this very problem. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so the first thing you'll be doing is going to the Play Store, and here you're going to download this app right here. So open the Play Store and you're going to search for an app called Kiwi Browser. If at all you don't have it on your phone at the moment, make sure you go ahead and install this app. So as you can see, mine is already installed, so I'm simply going to go ahead and open it. So let me open the app. And once the app opens, of course, this is a preloaded page. I had set it already for this video, but basically here, this is a download link for something. So when you tap on it, as you can see, it's going to be downloading a file, but I'm going to go ahead and cancel this download, right? But before we get started, one of the advantages of this app is it's built based on Chromium and WebKit, meaning that you're going to have a very similar user interface to Chrome, but with more added features, right? Like the one we're going to be using in this video. So simply, I'm going to go ahead and cancel this download. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to options, then you're going to scroll and look for settings. And under settings, you're going to look for downloads, and then here you're going to see this last option right here, the very last option. It's called download manager. So simply go ahead and tap on it, and again under this option they are going to bring for you the different download managers that you have installed on your phone. So basically what this option does is it's going to link an external download manager directly to this app. So it's the same as, for instance, having Chrome, but when it's time for downloading, you're going to be downloading using an external download manager, meaning that you're going to be getting faster download speed. So simply on this list, choose a download manager that you have been using to download. For instance, I always use 1DM if I want to download something. So I'm simply going to go ahead and select 1DM. So 1DM, and just like that, we're going to go back to our download link, the one I had preloaded before the video, right? So I'm going to go back. Right, so I'm simply going to go ahead and tap this download link so that it can start downloading the file. So you tap on it, then we're going to wait and see what is going to happen. And as you can see, they have brought this option that is showing us to download using 1DM directly. And that means if you had set a different download manager, for instance ADM, they would bring the options for ADM. So simply go ahead and place on start. And as you can see, they are telling me this file already exists. Let me simply go ahead and overwrite the existing file, then okay. And as you can tell, this file has been now downloaded using 1DM. So simply this trick is going to help you avoid using these fake browsers that some of these download managers do have. And of course, it's like using Chrome and then downloading the files using a download manager directly. Otherwise, hopefully, this is going to be a helpful trick for you guys. And as always, in case you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give a like to this video if it's helpful. I catch you in the next one. Peace.